In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to secure your WordPress site. We're going to cover one of the best WordPress security plugins that can help reduce the risk of your website being hacked. The name of the plugin is All-in-One WP Security and Firewall. It's also among the most popular WordPress security plugins. To install the plugin, go to Plugin on your WordPress dashboard, Add New. At the search bar, search for All-in-One WP Security. Click Install Now. Click Activate. Now you can see that it's successfully installed in your WordPress. On your left of your WordPress dashboard, WP Security is shown there. It has a user-friendly interface for those who are not familiar with advanced security settings. The Security Strength Meter measures how well you are protecting your site based on the security features you've activated. The security and firewall features are categorized as basic, intermediate, or advanced. Let's click on User Account. You can see that the user account is labeled as basic. Basic category is generally non-invasive and will not break any functionality of your site. Let's look at User Login. It's also labeled as Basic Security. These types of basic features should be activated immediately in order to provide you with the minimum security you should be applying to your site. You can adjust the setting of your site, Basic Security, by checking certain security elements. If you set the maximum login attempt to 5 before the IP address is locked out, you can also adjust the login retry time period over here. Let's move to the database security. It's labeled as intermediate. Take note that these features fall under the intermediate and advanced categories. Can break certain functionality depending on your setup and which plugins you're using. These types of features usually apply more complex security measures. Now let's go back to the dashboard. The dashboard will highlight the most important features which you should apply to your site to achieve a minimal effective level of security. These are displayed in the panel which shows whether they are currently active or not.